23. Mummified Christians. General William Booth, founder of the Salvation Army, was a remarkable man with a devastating way of saying things. He believed emphatically that faith without works is dead, James 2:26. He regarded churches that did not produce working Christians as mortuaries. In fact, he said, all too many church members are mummy Christians. They're mummified, and mummies are incapable of action. Except for occupying space in the church, such members do little to apply the faith. Hard language? Well, Charles Spurgeon said too many church members reminded him of his neighbour's pigs. All grunt and no bacon. Some other great Christian leaders have used equally strong language. Are such judgments true? And if they are, can we not believe that our Lord will use even harsher language on the day of judgment? About 50 years ago, a Bible school teacher made his class spend several days listing all the words of our Lord in two categories. 1, words of love and encouragement, and 2, words of wrath and judgment. To the class's surprise, the second list was far longer. Our Lord, who knows what is in man, knows what is in us. We all love the word of praise, but perhaps what we need is a word of judgment to wake us up out of our indifference and laziness.